Hey everyone, today we're diving deep into the world of AI image generation, but we're not just scratching the surface. We're unlocking the advanced prompting secrets that will take your creations from meh to mind blowing. We've all seen the basic prompts a cat, a sunset, but to get truly unique and incredible results, we need to be more specific and strategic. Let's break down the key elements of an advanced prompt. Section 1. Detailed subject description. First, let's talk about the subject. Don't just say a dog, say a golden retriever puppy with floppy ears playing in a field of wildflowers. The more detail, the better. See the difference? We've gone from a generic dog to a specific, vivid image. Section 2. Art style and medium. Next, consider the art style. Do you want a photorealistic image, a painting, a sketch, or something more abstract? Specify the medium too: oil painting, digital art, watercolor. By adding digital art, impressionistic style, we've completely changed the look and feel of the image. Section 3. Lighting and composition. Lighting and composition are crucial for creating a compelling image. Think about the time of day, the direction of the light, and the angle of the shot. Use terms like golden hour, dramatic lighting, low angle, close-up. Adding golden hour, cinematic lighting, wide shot makes the image feel more professional and immersive. Section 4. Adding modifiers and keywords. Now, let's add some modifiers and keywords to really push the boundaries. Think about adding adjectives, adverbs, and specific details. For example, intricate, vibrant, highly detailed, 8K resolution. Adding these keywords adds incredible depth and realism to the image. Section 5. Negative prompts. Don't forget negative prompts. This tells the AI what not to include, for example, deformed limbs, blurry, extra fingers. This helps avoid common AI image generation errors. Section 6. Combining prompts and iteration. The real magic happens when you combine all these elements and iterate. Don't be afraid to experiment and refine your prompts until you get the perfect result. Try changing 1 or 2 words at a time. See how we're progressively improving the image with each iteration. So here is a final result. And there you have it. Those are some of the advanced prompting secrets that will help you create stunning AI-generated images. Practice makes perfect. So get out there, experiment, and unleash your creativity. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. And let me know in the comments what kind of AI images you're creating. Tools links in description. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep creating.